Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to log into Bank of Bridger account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Bank of Bridger online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address bankofbridger.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Bank of Bridger like this, guys. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the account login button available for us at the top right where my mouse is hovering. Click over there and this kind of panel will appear. Now in order to log into your account, first choose either it's your business account or your online banking account. And with that being said, guys, after choosing your account category, enter your username of your account, whichever may it be, or whichever you had registered at the Bank of Bridger at the time of creating your account. And after entering your username, enter your password over here where it says the password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password or PIN, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot password or PIN. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to either retrieve your password or PIN depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said, after entering your username and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be logged into the Bank of Bridger account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Bank of Bridger account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.